You want fresh vegetables? You don't want to go digging in the garden? You're afraid of snakes and caterpillars and locusts and whatever's out there. Then do this. Take a good look. These are just lentils. You let them soak overnight. The next day, you pour out, you keep rinsing them, pouring out the water maybe 2, 3 times a day. And you put it in the windowsill or under a plant light, even better. And 2, 3 days, depending on how big you want them to be, they're ready. Then you could just eat them raw. Now, we're never supposed to eat raw beans unless they're sprouted, and these are sprouted. Now, after a certain point, I think it'll take another day or two, you will see little tiny green leaves on it. Right now it just has the root. And there's something about lentil sprouts. They have a unique flavor. They're very fresh. You can eat it plain. You could put apple cider vinegar on it. You could cook them if you want. You could throw it in your salad. And they're very inexpensive, like maybe 7 cents an ounce. You could buy them online, buy them in the grocery store. You could stock up on them. And this way, if there's no fresh vegetables in the house and you're worried about having a healthy diet, you don't have to go spend money on gasoline and spend time. You just take out a bag of lentils, put them in a jar, put some netting on top of it with a rubber band or something, let it soak overnight, pour out the water in the morning, and then 2, 3 days, you wet them, 2, 3 times a day, pour out the water, leave it on the windowsill or the plant light. So now I've repeated the instructions twice. Try it.